Dance Marathon students, alumni, faculty, staff, and community members, greetings on behalf of the University of Florida. I want to thank all of you for your support of Dance Marathon, and I especially want to tip my hat to current students for showing so much leadership amid the pandemic in creating a fabulous Dance Marathon 2021. Students, having experienced 6 previous Dance Marathons at UF, your theme of Transform Today really resonates with me. You are transforming the lives of children of UF Health Shands Children's Hospital. You are transforming your own lives through this amazing work. And through your actions, you are transforming the world for the better. On behalf of the UF community and UF Health, I thank you for continuing this great cause even in the midst of COVID, and I wish you the very best for a fantastic Dance Marathon 2021.